pull them and set. Just pull it out so it locks the controls. Ignition switch off. Avionics off. Master switch on. Avionics on. Flaps. Taxi landing light. Landing lights. Right behind me is the Subang Sky Park terminal, and let's fly a Cessna 172. Fill up the forms, 2 ringgits and a passport. That's all you need. That side is for the passengers and we need to take the left entrance. Doesn't look so pretty now, right? To walk on the tarmac, you need a safety jacket like that guy is wearing over there. Let's move on to our hangar where our plane is parked. Then we fly it. Today I'm going to be tan so bad. And there is Veera Chris. So we'll be flying this plane today. See, the tail number is 9 Mike NCU. So we'll be going over KL City. I have already filed the flight plan. This is the hangar where it is supposed to be. So this is Air Adventure Flying Club. I'm doing free promotions for you. Our fuel truck is here, so let's feed this baby. She is always hungry. Before refueling, we need to connect this metal wire from the refueling truck to our plane's body so that there is no static charge build up, because it might cause sparks. And while refueling, it is quite obvious that the sparks are the last thing that you want. We are done with the refueling and now we can go to flying the plane. Here is the checklist. Here is our plane, both ready. Start. Speedo tube cover is removed. Side. Parking brakes, pull them and set. There is supposed to be a lock right here. Just pull it out so it locks the controls. Now they are free. Ignition switched off. Avionics off. Clear prop. So that's what you need to shout. And master switch on. Check fuel quantity. Shows full. Avionics on. Now you can hear a little buzz. That is the avionics. Avionics off. Flaps down 1 notch. Need to fully extend the flaps. These are coming down. The flaps are down. Pitot heat on. Yeah, it's getting hot, so it works fine. Navigation beacon, strobe, taxi, landing beacon light, landing lights, navigation light, red on, strobe light on, strobe light. Navigation light, see, it doesn't show the strobe light somehow in the camera, but it is blinking. And master switch off. Fuel selector both. Let's turn it around. It's quite light, so we don't need a towing vehicle. Just push it and turn. Empennage, tail tie down disconnected, control surfaces check, rudder. Antennas, these are the antennas, all look good. Here to there, ailerons, flaps. There is supposed to be a fairing here, but since this is a training flight and these things break too often, so they just have removed it. It affects the fuel economy, but other than that there's no other, that fairing is just used to streamline the flow. So since it breaks very much and it's very costly to replace it, that's why we are not using it. So for example, in that plane you can see the tires are covered. That is the fairing I'm talking about. So you always check the fuel manually?
Yes.
Don't trust your gauges?
Don't trust the gauges.
Yep. Full.
I can do this side.
Yep. Propeller and spinner. Check the traffic codes. Stall warning opening. Grab the headphones. Let's get into the plane. Left foot here. Right foot inside. Flaps up. Now we prime. Mixture rich. Engine is hot. One time. Circuit breakers all in. Lights on.
Carburetor heat core.
Okay. Clear prop. Call for startup.
Calling ground, say again, intermittent.
Adventure 571 on 121.9er. Good afternoon.
Good morning, Adventure 571.
Adventure 571, position Veracruz negative tow vehicle. Request startup for KL City area 1500 feet as per flight plan. POV 02, endurance 3 hours on 9er mic NCU. Receive information Delta.
Okay, Adventure studies approved.
Clear prop.
So, you have control.
I have control.
Okay, break off.
Break off.
Adventure 571, taxi Tango to holding point for what?
Taxi Tango to holding point Foxtrot. Adventure 571.
571, ATC available.
Ready to copy.
571, clear to city area via PJ 1005, squawk to 111, no reported traffic.
Clear to KL City area, squawk 2111, Adventure 571.
571. 571, tower 118.2.
Tower 118.2, Adventure 571. Power checks at holding point. Brake set,
Yes.
mixture rich, throttle 1700 RPM, magnetos. Magnetos good.
Okay.
Stab heat. Okay. Fuel selector valve both. Elevator trim set for takeoff. Okay, DI.
230. Okay, so we
230.
set 230 on the DI.
Squawk 2111. Flight controls.
Okay, go ahead.
Adventure 571 ready. Foxtrot.
Adventure 571, roger, line up runway 15.
Line up runway 15. Adventure 571. Okay, okay.
Adventure 571 and left turn 1500 feet, runway 15, clear takeoff.
Left turn 1500 feet. Adventure 571 cleared for takeoff.
Power set 2400 RPM. Maintain center line. T's and P's are in the green. Airspeed is alive. Maintaining center line. Airspeed 55. Rotate. Gently rotate.
6, advice traffic is
And then pitch down
Adventure
to maintain
571,
80 knots.
172, just
80 knots,
airborne
okay.
runway 15.
Now you have 80 knots. Pitch up for climb attitude.
1500.
Okay.
Maintain right rudder. Maintain right rudder.
PG 1005.
Positive climb. 300 feet after takeoff checks. Brakes on. Brakes off.
Brakes off.
Landing light off.
Landing lights. 500 feet. Left turn.
Yeah, so right clear, center clear, left clear.
Left clear. Center clear. Right clear. Okay.
Okay.
For PG 1005.
Report PJ 1500. Adventure 571.
571.
So we head towards Petaling Jaya. Do you
Okay.
see Petaling Jaya?
Yep.
We fly to Petaling Jaya. Maintain 80 knots.
80 knots.
Adventure 571, confirm PJ.
2 miles to PJ. Adventure 571.
Adventure 571, contact Lampur Info 1261.
Lampu Info 1261. Adventure 571.
We also see there is a tower. So we aim in the middle of these two big towers. Okay? Visibility is quite bad today.
Now it is getting bad. Earlier it was okay.
Yeah. Where's airport, huh?
1508, sorry, 1208, TC, clear to Kota Baru, flight plan route 700 departure, squawk 0364.
There.
7.71, when ready, descend to 1000, 15.
And we are done for the day.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.